Okay, this is a review of the shotgun p799. If you've seen my other video, told you I'll fix it, and I have. It took a couple of hours, but it's done. Hopefully. Okay. First, I'm going to show you how to load it. There's a little thing here. Whack your BBs in here. To do it, slide shut. I'm going to be testing it on these targets. Let's see what we get. Would have been better if I set it up somewhere. Stay still, goddammit. Oh yes. Alright then, get tested. Oh, we're also going to be reviewing the pistol. Shotgun first. Good accuracy, even though it has been taken apart a couple of times. Oh, yeah. 250 feet per second. It's going to hurt you in an airsoft war. Let me tell you that. Alright then, go have a look at what we got. That's what we got. We got a couple in the centre here. To be on this outer area, but did kind of go off target a bit. But it's a shotgun, come on. How accurate do you want it to be? Overall, pretty good. Nice pistol. This is a bugger. Hard to get to work. Even though I fixed it, I still make some stupid noises. Come on, stupid phone. I guess we're stuck this close up. Alright, that's it. Would zoom out and show you something, but being a bitch. Oh well. Okay, I got it. This can carry 9 in the magazine, but you can put 1 in the chamber. I'm not going to bother. Okay. Have to do this. You have to pull back. Pull back quite hard on this because it's obviously broke. I'll get to work again. There we go. Right, it's too powerful. About 50 feet per second. Not very good. And we're out. Go have a look at what we got, eh? Yeah, we got pretty accurate. Got some in the centre. Drill on target. Still, shotgun's pretty good. Quite a few on target. A couple off, but you know, you expect has been taken to pieces and held together by duct tape. It's done pretty good. So that's what they're like when they actually work. Yeah.